In English, I wish Syria back from the ashes again and be rebuilt again. The aim of the project is to advocate for art, to encourage kids to do art. And we add the theme about birds, to talk about this idea like flying, getting freedom to go anywhere and meet other people. And so the artwork will be as a bird flying to Ireland to send a message from Aleppo kids to Irish people. I was overwhelmed with these messages. Like, it's about peace. It's about all people, not just the people who live in Syria.
It was very special to begin to look through the pieces physically here, because I'd seen the photographs that were taken at the workshop of the children working on them. And so then to hold those pieces of paper that the children had clearly put a lot of time and effort into, to see the texture, the brush strokes, the marks and the handwriting in person was very special. A very kind of, all of a sudden felt very close to the children who had made the artwork in a way.
So art, it's a key role. I have a key role to break border between people and to use art to solve problems.